Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stamps Who Creates here to do an unboxing with you. So if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to click on the subscribe little box and ring the notification bell right next to that. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. So I'm here to do an unboxing. I was contacted by a Thread Nanny. They apparently found me on YouTube. They've been watching my YouTube videos, so thanks so much, Thread Nanny. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying out some of their products. They would send to me, and I can do an unboxing and or use their products in an upcoming project or more. So I was very excited because surprisingly, I have ordered from them before through Amazon, and I've ordered their regular thread. Now, many of you know that since this whole pandemic started, the whole thing with face masks has been like crazy, crazy. And I must have made, I want to say like at least 800 masks throughout this period. And you know what? I'm still making more. I have a new design of a template that I purchased off an Etsy store, and I started making them. These are more the rounder ones. So when they reached out to me, I was real excited, and I said, sure, like I'd love to. So right now what I'm going to do is an unboxing and see what they sent me. They're also supposed to, I don't know if it's included in here or if it's going to come at a later time. They're going to notify me. They're going to give me a code that you can use to purchase their products. So I did tell them, they mostly talked about my embroidery stitch-alongs and embroidery videos, but I told them that I also sewed. So I'm excited to see what they sent me. So let's go ahead and take a look. And this came really quick. I was kind of surprised because it was just the other day. And those of you that have been wondering how I've been doing as far as the COVID, today was day 12 since the onset of my symptoms, and you could probably hear in my voice, I'm still a little, you know, with the voice and a little bit of congestion but other than being tired, because I did go back to work today full-time. I have a full-time job, so YouTube is kind of like my hobby, my sharing what I love with others. So I did go back to work full-time, and I was rather tired today, so I had to kind of take a little nap. I didn't mean to take a nap, you know, I was just watching a YouTube video and I fell asleep. So I had my little nap and I'm feeling a lot better now. So let's see what we got in here. I'm excited. So Thread Nanny, thanks so much for sending. Oh wow, look at this. Ooh, okay. I'm even more excited now. Thread Nanny, manufacturers of quality sewing, quilting, and embroidery threads and sewing notions. Now, if you follow me, I do have a Brother embroidery machine, and oh, excuse me, they told me that their thread works really well in there. Well, my sewing machine is it's an oldie. I have to say, the sewing machine I have is probably about 30 years old. It's let me take a look to get the name of it right. It's a Memory Craft 7000 by New Home, which I believe New Home was taken over by Janome, maybe. But it's a trooper. It's a trooper. I've been kind of thinking maybe upgrading to a new machine, but, well, you know, why ruin a good thing, right? So if anybody wants to send me a sewing machine out there, yay, I'll take it. I'll take it for a spin. Okay, so let's open this up here. So here is Thread Nanny's information. So I'm sure they would appreciate it if you, you know, ordered from them. They're at www.threadnanny.com. But like I said, I have purchased through Amazon, but probably be best off. I didn't know that you can order from them, but they do have here, it says 63 Brother colors embroidery. So it looks like Husqvarna, Bernina machines, new, You know, so I don't know what that means. On the side of the box it says, see our selection of sewing scissors. So I didn't know they had that. See our selection of sewing accessories. And then see our selection of rotary cutters and blades. So, who knew, right? So, maybe you're learning this just like I am. All right. Ooh, my goodness. Look at that. Wow. All right. Let's see what we got. Okay, these are like fun colors. They're a little bit different spool than my other ones I ordered from somewhere else. Thank you for your purchase. Register your product online. Write to us at support@threadnanny.com. Our customer service team will get back to you. We strive for 5 stars. We'll do our level best to resolve any issue. So, so yeah, they have a little scan to register your product. And let's see. So this looks like this is a 63 spool color chart. Threadnanny.com. And wow, these are cool colors. I just want to like just dump them out all over, you know. There's nothing like, you know, seeing new thread. Ooh, I love that color. And let's see, they're all numbered. This is 542. Let's see what it says. Seacrest. That's pretty. Pretty colors. Oh my goodness. I want to just dump them all out. They'll never get them back in again, right? Look at the pretty colors. So let's see on the sheet. We have white, silver, Prussian blue, cream brown, light blue, sky blue, fresh green, vermilion, dark brown, coneflower blue, salmon pink, pink, deep rose, dark fuchsia, flesh pink, pumpkin, lemon yellow, yellow, harvest gold. Oh, who remembers that? That is going back. The harvest gold appliances. Those of you that are my age, you know what I'm talking about. Orange, tangerine, deep gold, linen, light brown, brass, russet brown, amber red. That's pretty. Reddish brown, clay brown, khaki, warm gray, blue, ultramarine, peacock blue, electric blue, mint green, emerald green, leaf green, lime green, moss green, dark olive, olive green, teal green, seacrest, wisteria violet. Oh, I love purples. Look at the purples. Lilac, violet, purple, magenta, pewter, dark gray, red, lavender, carmine, deep green, light lilac, cream yellow, gray, beige, royal purple, black, flesh, and ivy. Oh, I love that they have flesh, because so many times I'm doing projects where it has a skin tone on it, and you know, you don't want to use white, you don't want to use ivory. You know, what color do you use? Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. I apologize. So let me see. Is this the flesh? Oh, here it is. Here's the flesh. Perfect. So this is the 63 spool color chart. Wow. Look at that. Look at these colors. I'm hoping that they're showing through. Let's see. Let's pick. Oh, look at that blue. Wow. Beautiful. I'm going to open one of them up. Let's open one up. And this one is 126, which is pumpkin. Ooh, I picked one of my favorites. I love the color pumpkin. Okay, let's see. Bear with me. I didn't cut that off all the way here. Okay. I'm very excited. With being sick and being tested positive for COVID, been kind of out of commission from crafting. So, oh, it comes off real easy. And I think this little smidgy thing down here, this little zhoosh. I want to call it a zhoosh. I think that's for, yeah, for holding your thread so that it's not going to all unravel. Because on my other ones that I have ordered, they didn't have anywhere to like attach your thread in between using it. So I had to use ponytail holders to wrap it around. But this is nice. I'm assuming that that's how you do it. Maybe. Maybe you wrap it around like 2 times. Maybe. But the thread feels nice, nice and smooth. But the proof will be in the pudding, so they say, working on a project. Let's see how you do that. Yeah, I guess like that. That's good. Real pretty. I'm very excited. So, it says printed colors may differ from actual threads. The color card is for reference only. And if you're wondering, like, what are these numbers in your machine, you can go and when you're working on a project, it gives you the color of the spools. So this is a great way, like, you know, when they make suggested colors, that you can go in and program so that the colors will coincide with your thread colors. So if it, you know, say it's a project using red, white, and blue, they'll have red down as 800. Maybe the blue was 420, 420, and then the white is 001, which are kind of like standard color numbers, because I know the 001 in white in the other company that I was using, it was the same number. So, yeah, I'm real excited about this. I hope you check them out. Let me know. Give me a suggestion down below in the comments. What would you like to see me be what would you like to see my first project using their thread? I'm excited to see how it works in the machine, how my brother machine likes their thread, because hey, all machines are temperamental. They're just like, you know, people. They like what they like, and they'll let you know if they don't like it. But she did reassure me that they work well in the brother machine, so I'm excited for that. And Thread Nanny, I just want to thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to test drive your embroidery threads. And be sure to go and check them out online. Like I said, she was going to send me a link so that you can order. And but you know, if you can't wait and you need thread now, go and order now at Thread Nanny. Let me get it right here. Flip it over. www.threadnanny.com. 63 new colors. Can never have enough, right? Never have enough thread. So I'm excited to receive this. And again, thank you so much. And I hope you continue to watch. And maybe you learn a few things about embroidery. And maybe you found yourself some thread that you want to give a test drive on your machine. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave in the comments, what would you like me to create using this new selection of beautiful colored threads from Thread Nanny. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you back again here real soon. Bye for now.